I wanted to make a video showing how we make an inlaid tabletop. We'll start in our design software and we'll put the design for the inlay on the tabletop and then program a pocketing tool path using a V-bit so we get a nice tapered pocket for the inlay. Then we'll create the mirror image of the design, and this is what we're going to use to machine the inlay itself. In this case, we'll use the same V-bit tool, but we'll machine it as a raised prismatic letter. This is what's going to create the opposing tapers, so as we press the inlay into the table, it makes a really nice fit. Once we have the design done, we'll get the glue up on the machine, and after we skim the surface, so we have a nice flat surface and we know exactly where it is, calibrated to the machine, then we'll go ahead and load the V tool and carve the tapered inlay pocket. When that's done, we'll do the same using the inlay stock. In this case, we used a Padauk, and you can see the different sections of the inlay machined as prismatic letters in the Padauk. Once that's done, that will be glued and pressed into the inlay pocket on the tabletop and then clamped and allowed to cure. Once everything's completely cured, it goes back on the machine. And as you can see here, we're taking very small cuts to skim that backing material off of the inlay plugs and avoid any tear out. As we start to remove the backing, we can see the letters. There's still some glue on the surface. However, once we get down to that initial tabletop surface, everything is going to clean up really nicely. When we're done with the top of the table, we'll turn it over and we'll machine all of the underside features. And that's how we create inlays, custom inlays, using your logos, design for your company or your family into a custom tabletop. With a nice hard wax finish, the colors of the wood and the grain really pop. Thanks for watching.